Okay, guys, I'm going to talk about my Fundrise account. This is a great way to earn passive income, and this, in my opinion, is true passive income. So let me talk about the account. This is what I promised in the last video, so let me compare the plans for those of you that are new to Fundrise or don't know anything about Fundrise. Let me give you a quick comparison of the plans they have. So my plan that I'm in is long-term growth. So I've got a lot of questions on why I'm earning low dividends currently with the plan I have compared to other people's accounts that have about the same amount of money in their account. And that's because I'm in a long-term growth plan. This is for long-term. I have mine based on 15 years. So as you can tell on the growth of this, the dividends are low, and you're getting more appreciation on the properties, so it's going to go very slow at first, and then it's really going to ramp up. So the other plans they have are supplemental income. This one is basically, mostly dividends. So you're going to get a good amount of income coming in based on your money, but you're not going to get much appreciation. So you're just going to have steady growth, steady income, and for short term, I believe that's a great way to go. If that's your only goal is to add more income in your pocket and get great passive income through just dividends, this is the plan to go. Mine's more for retirement, so I'm in the long term. Balanced investing is just a combination of both. You're basically half dividends, half appreciation, so you get a good combo of both. So that's kind of the comparison of the Fundrise accounts in a nutshell. Let's get over to the account now. So my account is currently at $4,000, and as you can see, I've been in 3 months now, and my dividends are only $15, but my appreciation is going to be much higher based on all the properties they have, and they have 105 active projects in my growth account. Lately, they've been doing a lot of rentals in LA. They've been buying in Washington, D.C., apartment complex in Florida. I think a new project in New Jersey. Those are just the more recent ones. And if you guys do want me to do any videos on specific things they're acquiring, I'll do a more detailed video on that. But anybody can go up here, click on the bell if you're in a program. In a plan, and you can kind of see all their latest things they bought, and you click on them and it tells you a little bit more detail of what they are. So I'm going to leave this one fairly short. This is just to show you what my account's at now. I'm on pace to be at 255, almost 256,000 in the next 15 years, and so I'm well on my pace to hit my goal. And this is to supplement all my other investments out there. And if you guys are interested in different investments, please click the like button, hit subscribe, and click on the notification bell. That'll allow you to see all my upcoming videos. I have stock investment videos. I got personal loan videos. So different type of investments to fit whatever your needs are. I'll have a link below for Fundrise if you're interested. No obligation, but I appreciate the support, and happy investing out there. Take care. Bye.